Hey guys, and welcome to the second part of the 3 parts of my PLL Algorithms tutorials. Now I will link the first part in the description, and in there we went over the first 7 cases. Now we ended with the H-Perm, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to start out with another algorithm that's very similar to that. Make sure to like this video, and let's get started. The first case we're going to go over in this video, as you can see, is very similar to the H-Perm. We have all of the corner pieces solved, but all the edge pieces are not solved. An easy way to recognize this case is that the orange edge needs to go here, and the green edge needs to go here. These two edges need to be swapped. And the same is on the other side too. The red needs to go here, and the blue needs to go here. They need to be swapped. So in order to perform this algorithm properly, we need to hold the cube so that the two edges need to be swapped. One is facing you and one is on the right side. Here's a quick look at the H-Perm before we do this algorithm. As you can see, the blue needs to go here and the green here. Instead of opposites, it's next to each other. So here is this algorithm at regular speed. And now a bit slower. So for the second case we're going to go over here, we have what is called the RA-Perm. And basically what it is we have headlights on the front. We have a different color of edge than the corners. And we have one bar on the side that's solved. So as you can see here, in this case it's orange. It could be any color really, but in this case it's orange. And the easy way to recognize this case is just that. We have headlights and a bar on the right side. So this is the algorithm we're going to do. Again, with holding yellow as your up face and blue facing you, or the headlights facing you, then we're going to go ahead and do this algorithm. And now a bit slower. Now we have the RB, and this is the exact opposite. Once again we have headlights, and instead of the bar being on the right hand side of our headlights, this time it's on the left side. And that's how we're going to recognize this case. They're the exact opposite, as you can see. So we're going to hold our cube the same way with the headlights facing us, and we're going to go ahead and do the exact opposite of the previous algorithm. And here it is at regular speed. And now a bit slower. So for the next case we have here, it's once again with headlights, and now we have two bars here that are connected. So we have this edge and corner bar and this edge and corner bar. And there's 2 of these cases. This one is called AA, and we'll go over AB next. But for AA, the way we can recognize this is that we have the bar on the left side and facing us, and the headlights are on the back side. So that's how we're going to hold the cube. We're going to have the bar so that the headlights are on the left side. Excuse me, the headlights are on the back side, and the bar is on the left side and facing us. So this is the algorithm at regular speed. And now a bit slower. At the beginning of the algorithm there, you can see that I move both layers. That's called a small L prime. You'll see it in the algorithm at the top of the screen. So the other case now, AB, is the exact opposite once again. We still have headlights, and we still have a bar and a bar that are connected by this corner piece. However, the only difference this time is that if we hold one side of the bar on the left and the other facing us, the headlights are not in the back. They're on the right. So we're going to hold the cube a bit differently. we're going to hold the headlights so that they're facing us. And what we're going to do is, it's going to be not quite opposite, but it's pretty close to that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to rotate our cube up so that the yellow side is now facing us. And this is the algorithm at regular speed. And it's now a bit slower. So we have NA here, and this case is where we have a bar on the left side of each face. And it doesn't matter how we hold the cube as long as yellows are up face, and this is the algorithm at regular speed. And it's now a bit slower. So we have this case here, and this is NB, and it's the exact opposite of NA. NB having the bar on the right side, and NA, as we just learned, having the bar on the left side. As you can see, that's true all the way around the cube. So we're just going to hold the cube the exact same way, which is basically any way, as long as the yellows are up face. And this is the algorithm at regular speed. And now a bit slower. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video on part 2. If you found this video helpful, then, as I said before, make sure to hit that like button down below. And please subscribe to Cubing Outlet. TS and I would really appreciate it.